Okay, part two here. Let me show you from the beginning of the painting all the way to the finished product. So we go. Okay, and time to start building her back up. Wow, what a journey. So this is all done. Came out real nice. All of that done. Painted the walls. Just did some touch-ups. Now we're gonna build this same back up. Gotta wait for the I had some wrap coming to put that black and fix this up so it doesn't look like that. So the floor came out phenomenal, so it's looking good. Okay, I got my sleeves, so that's good. I will do something there, but for the most part this looks beautiful now. How cool is that? Okay, cabinets are here, right there, and Florida rain with about 60% humidity. This is gonna be fun. Okay, the last stretch. These ones look that they're already assembled, so that's good. Plus put all this together. Beautiful. So right there, that will go. This thing will come out. Super excited, so let's go. Okay, so got everything inside. Was a lot of wrestling. Instructions are somewhat very vague, pretty basic. I assume this goes like this, so it's just a guessing game. So it would have been nice to have a picture or something, but we continue. A lot of assemble. Okay, one down. Everything lined up very nice, nice finish. I'm gonna ceramic coat them. There's already the nuts embedded into the bottom piece, so very easy. Adjustable legs, everything square, very nice, no scratches. So far so good. So that is one, and now we continue. I think I'm gonna do the floor, these ones first, and put the table on top, and then the big mamas. So we go. So these little ones, they go on the top, they come inside here, so quite nice. Packing is nice. That's quite smart to minimize the boxes. So I'm trying this one on the floor upside down. I think it'll be easier. Let's see. Okay, and the second cabinet, they came in a little plastic pouch, very nice. Versus the other one, it was all in little individual baggies. So this is much nicer right there. The hardware. And they probably could have put a picture back here where they go. I mean, you can figure it out, but okay. Versus the other ones all over. And I find out where the guy goes. It goes on the bottom right here for your electrical wires and whatnot. So that's good news. Okay, we go. Okay, and the excitement has come to a stop. I see these things here. So you like to think that that is for the top, which is here, which was a back order, but there's no holes at all. And I don't see any screws or anything to go with this. So I have to start looking into to see what's up. Although it says here, workshop screw. So I don't know if that's what that means. I have to do some search. Okay, so I figured out where the other bolts were going. It was to attach these together, easier with the doors out. So it's just like a puzzle. So now I see that we have the hole, so we're gonna try to put the top. I got this all lined up nice, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so here I'm thinking you have to drill them to put that through the holes. I just look at the installation somebody in YouTube, and there's a piece that goes on top of the cabinet, and it doesn't allow the cabinet to move. But I don't have that piece unless it's inside one of these other big mama boxes. So, oh boy, here we go. Okay, we continue, see what we do. Okay, what a project, huh? Look at all this. I had two of them done. Just kick my ass, the doors out. I have to anchor them to the wall. this one here, so I'm gonna straighten this up a little bit, see if we can make some room for the last push, for the last one. And some progress. Gotta hand these guys up. Gotta come up with something for this guy here. And then the other cabinet goes here. And then the other two cabinets go on this side with the toolbox. We're almost there. Woo! We continue. Okay, and here is the garage complete, 99.9%. So I painted these cabinets because the other ones are on back order. So I will be replacing them. Painted the fan, painted the glass of the AC. I have to fix that little piece there because it's the sensor. Mounted the spare wheels for the Porsche. Got a new banner here. Painted the whole thing. Got a new clock so I can follow up with the coating. It has a thermometer, and more important, it has the humidity inside here. I got my picture here with the Swerve Remover Pro X. You haven't tried, you have to do it. And the cabinet fully built. So I added a light here, so we got a nice light here. It looks good. Got my little speaker, my boom box. I got a magnetic outlet here with the USB ports, so I don't have to wrestle with that anymore. And then of course we had the motor, and then we painted back here. We got the lights, and then we had these other lights here. And then earlier we had the garage door there, so we ran a cable through the ceiling all the way back there. Look at these big mama springs. Tinted the windows as I showed before. Insulation. It is cold in here, so very nice. We put this this electrical strip here, so now I have power. And then I bought some new lights I got there. I got all my pads in that box, the toolboxes, a vacuum cleaner, the jacks, steam cleaning, everything is here. So then the black piece there, I was so worried about it, that's all I used after I had to wait almost a month. So overall, this is it. It looks beautiful, super happy with this. Total investment here, you're looking at about 10K, more or less. And let me give you the breakdown. So for example, to raise the door and to put that motor there, and all the electrical and everything, it was $2,500, and the floor was another $2,200, and then the cabinet was another $2,200. So that's about $6 and change. The lights, I bought them directly from China. That was $300. The painting and the banners I had. So maybe not 10 grand, maybe a little less, about 8 grand, I would say, in total. So this is it. It fully insulated, plenty lights. You will not hear anything outside. And of course I have most of my products here. The rest I have it at the plant. But see, from here we have plenty stuff, all very nice and organized. Everything. So, and then when I need to send big orders, we send them directly from the plant. I got my gizmos here, which I will be doing a review on that soon. Overall, super happy. Not much more to say. So there you have it, the makeover garage fully done. We got the big boosted bottle back there. So we continue. We moving back to the normal operations water journey, to have everything out and to go back in. Nevertheless, we're done. It's over. Now I have to find another project. Maybe put the AC on my Porsche that is needed AC. That could be a nice project, or do the interior. So until next time, check us online, turbowax.com, and thank you for your support, emails, text messages, WhatsApp, and everything in between. Until next time.